Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right in to learn how to leverage Zoho Project for data-driven decision-making. Now, the first step is setting up your project in Zoho. This helps us because it's crucial to have an organized structure for your data, which Zoho provides. You'll want to input all key details about your project, such as start and end dates, team member roles, and major project milestones. This forms the foundation upon which we'll build our data-driven decision-making. Next up, let's get into task management. Zoho allows you to create, assign, and manage tasks. The reason we do this is to create a wealth of data points that can later be analyzed. As tasks are completed, you'll be able to keep track of progress, understand your team's productivity, and identify any potential roadblocks. Now that we've done that, we'll move to the third step, tracking time and budget. Zoho Project has an inbuilt timesheet and expense tracker. This is important because it helps you understand how much time and resources are being spent on each task. You can use this data to make informed decisions on where to allocate resources in the future. The next thing we'll do is utilize Zoho's analytics dashboard. This is where the magic happens. It gives you a complete overview of your project's performance. The reason we use this dashboard is to interpret the data we've been tracking and make informed decisions. The dashboard provides visual insights into your project's health, timelines, productivity, and more. One more thing to remember before we wrap up: always keep your data updated. Zoho Project is only as powerful as the data it has. Make sure to regularly input and update your project data to make the most accurate decisions. And there you have it, the essential steps to leveraging Zoho Project for data-driven decision-making. Remember, it's all about tracking your tasks, time, and budget, and utilizing the analytics dashboard to make informed decisions. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.